Hi tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we are looking at organic Vita, which is one of our teas in our cold and flu collection. Vita is one of our herbal teas and is designed to give you a vitamin and antioxidant boost. Full of antioxidant-rich ingredients, this caffeine-free blend will keep you satisfied and healthy all day long. Let's talk about some of the ingredients before we get into a recipe. The first ingredient in Vita is green rooibos, which is an herb from South Africa with numerous health benefits and 6 times the amounts of antioxidants as regular green tea. The next ingredient is elderberries. Elderberries have been shown to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, ease cold and flu symptoms, and even cleanse the body, along with being full of antioxidants and vitamins. Next up is Schisandra berries. These berries are considered adaptogens, which means they basically help you with anything. Some of the key benefits are increased energy, disease prevention, physical recovery, and immune boosting. These are goji berries. Goji berries are jam-packed with vital vitamins and minerals. Some of them include vitamin A, B, C, E, zinc, iron, and calcium. And finally, we have the hibiscus flower. Besides tasting delicious, hibiscus flowers have a ton of health benefits, including cholesterol reduction, digestive aids, immune boost, and weight loss. Next up, let's make a creamy, cold, raspberry-packed iced latte with organic Vita. As per usual, the full recipe will be in the link below, but let's go over a step-by-step tutorial. First up, we're going to make a delicious raspberry syrup with a pint of fresh or frozen raspberries, half a cup of water, and a quarter cup of sugar. I'm just going to break the raspberries up over medium-low heat in a small saucepan, and just wait for them to become a soft, jammy consistency and thicken slightly. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes of occasional stirring while they're simmering and boiling like this. Once you've reached your desired consistency, I'm just going to strain these into a heat-proof container and make sure to push down all of that juice into the container and just get rid of the seeds. Next up, I'm going to steep about 3 teaspoons of organic Vita in 6 ounces of hot water. While that's steeping, I'm going to make my raspberry cold foam to go on top. I'm just going to add a couple tablespoons of heavy whipping cream with about a tablespoon or more of my raspberry syrup and froth that. You could also totally use a whisk until it's just lightly thickened. You don't want fully whipped cream, just a lightly thickened version. And now it's time for assembly. I'm going to pour some of my raspberry syrup over ice and then add my steeped Vita tea over the top before adding in my cold foam. This turns the most beautiful baby pink color when it's all stirred together and is creamy, delicious, and refreshing. And that's it for organic Vita. I hope you enjoyed the Tea of the Week this week and that you'll tune in next week for another installment. Make sure to check out the links below to check out our website and everything else we've got going on. Have a great week. Bye-bye.